Hi friends, this is Manigandan. This is very special video for me because with this video we are reaching 50 videos in our EV analyst channel, and thank you for your continuous support and advice. Welcome to EV analyst, electric vehicle analyst. In this channel we will be posting the latest update of electric vehicle. If you like the channel, please subscribe the channel to get more detail about electric vehicle. Today we are going to talk about top 10 electric cars in India at 2020. Let's see one by one. Tata Nexon EV. Tata Nexon EV was developed by an Indian automobile manufacturer, Tata Motors in India. The Tata Nexon EV was launched in January 2020. This Tata Nexon is most popular electric car with maximum range. It comes with the Tata's advanced Zebran technology. It gives 312 km range and it comes with 30.2 kilowatts battery pack with 8 years warranty. It delivers 245 Newton meter of continuous torque and it can accelerate from 0 to 100 kilometers in just 9.9 seconds. The car is suitable with two fast chargers and support normal 15 amp plug point. It charges 0 to 80% in just 60 minutes with fast charger, and with the home charging socket it takes 8 hours. The Tata Nexon EV comes in three variants such as XM, XZ Plus and XZ Plus Luxury. The XM variant priced at rupees 13.99 lakhs and XZ Plus priced at 14.99 lakhs and XZ Plus Luxury is priced at 15.99 lakhs Indian rupees. Next, MG ZS EV. The MG ZS EV is from one of the most popular manufacturer, MG Motors. The MG Motors India, often stylized as Morris Garage, has launched its electric SUV named MG ZS EV. This electric SUV is also known as Internet SUV due to its connectivity features. It is powered by a permanent magnet synchronous that delivers 143 horsepower and 353 Newton meter of torque. The 44.5 kilowatts lithium-ion battery can be charged up to 80% in 50 minutes. The car can accelerate from 0 to 100 kilometers in 8.5 seconds with a top speed of 140 kilometers per hour. The price of this MG ZS EV is 23.58 Indian rupees. Next, Mahindra XUV 300 EV. The Mahindra XUV 300 EV is going to be the highest range electric SUV from Mahindra & Mahindra. The SUV to be powered by 40 kilowatts battery pack which has a range of more than 400 kilometers. The launch of this SUV 300 EV is expected at this year end. The expected price of this electric vehicle is around 12 to 15 lakhs Indian rupees. Next, Hyundai Kona Electric. The Hyundai Kona was launched at 2019 in India. It has 100 kilowatts motor which powers 39.2 kilowatts lithium-ion battery pack. The Hyundai Kona Electric is having the range of 452 kilometers and it gives the top speed of 167 km per hour. It can be charged with normal charger in 6 hours and with DC fast chargers it can be charged 80% in 57 minutes. The Hyundai Kona Electric is priced at 23.91 lakhs Indian rupees. Next, Tata Ultros EV. Under the Zebran technology, the Tata Motors Tata Ultros will be the second electric car after the Nexon EV. The Ultros EV will have the range of 300 kilometers on full charge and it can charge up to 80% in just 60 minutes using DC fast charger. The company is giving an 8 years warranty. The expected price of Ultros EV is 14 lakhs Indian rupees and it is expected to launch in September 2020. Next, Mahindra EKUV 100. This electric SUV was launched by M&M at the Auto Expo 2020 in India. It will be the most affordable electric SUV in India. The EKUV 100 is India's first all-electric micro SUV to go on sale. The EKUV 100 is Mahindra's first electric SUV which can give maximum range of 350 km range with 72-volt lithium-ion battery. The top speed of this electric car 186 km per hour and it is powered by 30.5 kW 3-phase AC induction motor. This electric car can accelerate from 0 to 100 km in just 9 seconds. The expected price is 8 to 10 lakhs Indian rupees and it is expected to launch in first half of 2020. Next, Storm R3. Mumbai-based Storm Motors has launched its brand new first electric car. The Storm R3 is two-door electric car with 3 wheels. It is a 2-seater electric car which is powered by 15 kilowatts motor and the curb weight of this electric car is 550 kilograms. The Storm R3 can run up top speed of 80 km per hour and it works with a 15 kilowatts high efficient motor and it has a maximum torque of 90 Newton meter. It comes with 3 range variants such as 120 kilometers, 160 kilometers and 200 kilometers. Its motor is powered by lithium-ion battery pack which has a lifetime of 1 lakh kilometers. The Storm R3 is priced at 4 lakhs Indian rupees. Next, Aura R1. China's largest SUV automobile manufacturer, Great Wall Motors, launched Aura R1. This car model is the cheapest electric car in the world. The Aura R1 has a maximum range of 351 kilometers and its motor capacity is 35 kilowatts which produce 125 Newton meter torque. The battery capacity is 30.7 kilowatts and it gives the top speed of 102 km per hour. The Aura R1 is priced from 6 to 9 lakhs Indian rupees. Next, Nissan Leaf. Nissan Leaf will be launched by the Japanese auto major Nissan Motor at the mid of 2020 in India. It is the best selling electric car in the world. It has a range of 363 kilometers and the top speed of this electric car will be 150 kilometers per hour. This car can charge up to 80% in just half an hour using the fast charger and it can accelerate from 0 to 96 kilometers in just 9.9 seconds. The car works with 80 kilowatts motor which is powered by 64 kilowatts lithium-ion battery. The Nissan Leaf is expected around 30 lakhs Indian rupees. Next, Kia Soul EV. The Kia Soul EV is one of the best electric car in India. It works with 64 kilowatts lithium-ion battery and it gives the range of 391 kilometers and a single full charge. It is powered by 81.5 kilowatts motor which produce 395 Newton meter of torque and the top speed of this electric car will be 168 kilometers per hour. The Soul EV is expected to launch at the end of 2020 and the estimated price will be 15 to 20 lakhs Indian rupees. What do you think about this video? Please drop a comment below. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the channel, please subscribe the channel to get more details about electric vehicle. Thank you.